Tesla mobile app introduces a new self-diagnostic feature for service appointments on Android and iOS devices. This feature allows users to check any issues with their vehicles before going for a service. It essentially lets users to check any flaws in their electric vehicles as they attempt to schedule an appointment for maintenance or other services. The new feature precisely scans the overall condition of the vehicle to look for any faults that would require some servicing. And to use Tesla app's self-diagnostic feature, you need to first open up Tesla app on your device, and then head over to Schedule Service option. Before getting an appointment, the mobile app will automatically scan the vehicle as it attempts to look for any issues that need fixing. Once the self-diagnostics has completed, the app will give a summary of the issues and the option to schedule its servicing. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.